Hi guys, welcome you all. Today we are going to learn some new stuff, and here you can see we have creative new style of text. So for this type of creativity, for this type of logos, you have to learn some new skills, and today we are going to do that. So now start now. So here we are. So first of all, write the text. Let's assume I write the techno kid. So here it is, and make sure that this we are using here the characters panel to keep those things a bit closer, and here we are. Make them a bit more closer, like this. Yeah, I hope it's okay now. Yeah. Similarly, we can decrease the distance between the fonts, and I think that's okay. So I use the font here is voice in my head. So let's start now. So draw a simple rectangle. Here it is, the rectangle, and like this, enlarge it and reduce its width and rotate it like this one and place it here. Now move to the effect panel, and here you can see the distort and transform. Do a transformation here and place about 20 copies of it and revert. So here you can see like this, right? So before doing this, just change its color to red or white, and now start doing the transformation. Here it is. So make a copy of it. Now select the both and go to the appearance, transparency panel, and click the mask, and like this. So here you get your logo. So you can see it like this. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand this, and kindly do subscribe my channel if you like it. Take care.